Happy Monday, 8th graders. Today is May 4th, and I'm going to kind of give you a heads up on what you're doing today, just so you understand. We're still in heat. By the way, next week is our last week of school, so if you guys didn't already know that, I'm sure you guys are sad to be done with school, but it's coming close, so let's take a look what we're doing the rest of the year, or I guess the rest of the next week. Today, all you're going to be doing is to do May 4th. Today, you're going to be studying for your quiz. Okay, so if you open up this folder, now this has been open for a while because I wanted, if just in case you guys wanted to study ahead of time, you can, but all you're doing today for my class is studying for your quiz on Wednesday. Wednesday is your quiz. The quiz on Wednesday is not open book, so you need to make sure you're studying for it. And I'm just going to take your word for it that you didn't cheat. Okay? It's on your conscience. I want you guys to do well. Remember, it's not that important to get a good grade if you have to cheat. Just go ahead and study ahead of time. It's all good. So Wednesday is your quiz. And if you want to go ahead and open up this document, it's a folder. And I actually attached both of the PowerPoints that I taught on. No, those are not the videos. You can find the videos still on YouTube if you want to watch them over again. It's a great way to study. But if you feel like I don't really want to watch the videos because I think I've got it all pretty well figured out, then you can go ahead and just open up the PowerPoints and you can see them and jump to whatever slide you want to look at. This document is the study guide I made for you. Let me go ahead and bring it into focus here on the screen. This is what it looks like. And it's very short, very simple, very self-explanatory. So here are the vocab words that we've gone through in this unit. Okay, there's only 6 of them. So you can imagine that they're all going to be on your quiz. And they're probably also going to be on your quiz, not just matching, but in other ways too. So keep that in mind. You need to know those in and out. And then there's a couple of things that you need to know. So I'm giving you basically a very nice study guide. If you know all of this stuff, the words, and all of these, you're going to do very well on your quiz. Okay, so study that. Fill in this study guide if you like. You don't have to turn it in or anything. It's just to your benefit. Okay. The other thing I want to go over is next week. So Wednesday, all we're doing Wednesday is we're going to take our quiz. But next week, you have your ice cream lab due. Now, I haven't really gone over it yet, but I will go into it in detail on Wednesday so that you guys, I just want you to focus on studying right now, but something that you can do is get your materials if you don't have them yet. Again, they're stuff that you probably already have in the house, but go ahead and ask your parents. Make sure you have them because I want you to be prepared because on Monday, which is the 11th, I'm going to give you all of the time on Monday for science to complete this. Okay, so you not only have to complete the actual making ice cream, but you also have to complete the lab worksheet. So let me open that for you. Now, again, if you were to open this up, you would find this exact worksheet. It's right here, okay? So let me show you. Oh, yep, that's my baby's feet. Here we go. This is what it looks like. These are a couple of definitions that basically we're focusing on, phase change and heat transfer. And it's just like a normal lab. There's your purpose, your question, your background information. So make sure you're reading all of that. And then you need to write down a hypothesis. Your materials are here, same materials that are in Moodle. And then your procedure, follow the procedure very well. Make sure you guys are taking pictures throughout your lab because you're also going to submit those. Conclusion questions, and that's, you know, the big part of your quiz. And then here's the science behind it. Okay, so that's kind of what your lab looks like. And you, again, you can find that at the end of your unit if you scroll all the way down. It'll pull up in just a minute. If you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find that at the end. Okay? So all the way down, here's the lab. It's the last thing you're doing. Okay? So again, today you're studying for your quiz. Wednesday you have your quiz. Monday you're going to be working on your ice cream lab, and it's due on next Wednesday, the 13th. All right. Have a great day, guys.